Hello my dear student, today we are talking about the topic direct speech to indirect speech of the sentence, imperative and exclamatory. Okay, first we will learn about the imperative sentence, that how can we change direct speech into the indirect speech of the imperative sentence. Okay, so let's see here. Here is the sentence: Ajit said to his mother, okay, please give me an apple. Here is the sentence, that is this is the reported speech, and this reported speech express the sense of imperative sentence. It is this statement or this reported speech express the sense of imperative sentence. Okay, so in the previous video you will know about that how can we change the statement sentence and interrogative sentence direct speech to indirect speech. Okay, but here the sentence is different from the statement and interrogative sentence. So how can we change it imperative sentence into the indirect speech? Okay, so let's see here. Here the reporting verb, all these parts are reporting verb and rest of the part is reported speech. In the reporting verb you can see that here is the subject and the verb and the object. Okay, so we can't change it in the like a statement sentence and interrogative sentence. It means we cannot use here told or asked or inquired. Okay, we can change it according to the sense of this statement. According to the sense of this statement. So here is the sense express. Here the express the sense request. Okay, here is the sentence express the sense request. So we can use here request. So it will be Ajit requested his mother. Ajit requested his mother. Why we can use requested word here? Because this sentence expresses the sense of request. So we will write down here requested. Clear? And then here is the comma and inverted comma. In the interrogative and in statement sentence, you have to use of the that conjunction and the if or whether or the interrogative word. But here you cannot use this type of the word. Okay, so we will use the word to. Use the word to in place of comma and inverted comma. Okay, and remove the please word and write down the statement given in the reported speech. So you can see that here the statement give me an apple. So you will write down here give me. Me is the objective word of the subject. So subject is Ajit. So you will write down here him and apple. Okay, we can easily change this direct speech into the indirect speech to take the sense of the reported speech. And if the reported speech is request or command or advice, then we can change the reporting verb. The reporting verb is changed according to the sense of reported speech, and it will be ordered, requested, advised. Okay, and some other word that can be used are asked, invited, encouraged, reminded, urged, wanted, commanded, and recommended. Okay, many of the word we can use in place of the requested. Okay, how can we use this type of the word? Because the sense of reported speech. Okay, now next is exclamatory sentence. Okay, here the exclamatory sentence, and how can we change the exclamatory sentence in the indirect speech? So we will take a sentence like a hurrah, sign of exclamation, we have won the match. Okay. Said he. Said he. So you can see here, this complete statement is the reported speech. Okay, this complete statement is reported speech, and this part will be reporting verb. Okay, this part will be reporting verb. So we can use this part in the beginning of the sentence. Okay, we can use this part in the beginning of the sentence. So first we know about the sense of the reported speech. In this sentence, you can see that someone became very happy and he said that, "Hurrah, we won the match." This sentence express about the joy. Okay, express his joy or feeling. So we can use here, he exclaimed with joy. Okay, and then use that they had won the match. Full stop. So you can see that here is I have used the word exclaimed with joy. Exclaimed with joy. Why this word used in this reporting one? Because this reported speech expresses the joy of or feeling of happiness by the person. So we can use exclaimed with joy. And after that, in place of comma and inverted comma, we can use that conjunction word, and then they, here is the we change according to the subject and it will be they. Okay, they, and it is the past perfect tense, present perfect tense, so it will be past perfect tense. They had won the match. Okay, if the sentence express about that the wished, prayed, cried and exclaimed, so we can, or the word used in a sentence, hurrah, alas or ho, oh, so we can use it with the words exclaimed with joy, okay, exclaimed with sorrow or exclaimed with surprise. Okay, we can use here in place of the reporting verb, okay, according to the sense of the sentence. I hope everyone understand this topic very well, and if you have any problem, then comment in a comment box, and thank you for the watching this video.